Hello everyone. In this video I'll discuss about what is Ecourts Services App, how it is beneficial to the advocates and as well as for the common public, why the government has taken such initiation, how to use this app and who all can use this app. The government has taken a wonderful initiation to connect the technology with the judicial services to make it accessible to each and every individual from our country from anywhere in the world. And when it comes to the e-court services, these are the digital services which are provided by the courts, such as e-filing, such as to know about the case status, to know about the relevant dates and etc. So let's go to know about how to use this app and what are the benefits of it.
You need to first go to the Play Store and you should enter Ecourts Services App. After entering, you will be seeing an option of install. As I am getting an option of open because I have already installed it. After that, you can open it. Again, after opening, you will be seeing 4 options into this: CNR, case status, cause list, my cases. The first 3 options are for searching your case and saving that into the 4th option. So the first option is CNR status, which is a 16-digit code which you need to enter into that, and after that you will be getting your case. The second option is case status. There are numerous options into this through which you can search out your case, such as case number, party, filing number, FIR number, advocate, act, case type, caveat, pre-trial application. For example, if your advocate name is Mahesh Kumar, if you will press that name into the advocate column, you will be getting your case, and you can enter even your name also, the party name. You can enter your FIR details into that, so you will be available with that case. And when it comes to the cause list option, it is a jurisdiction based searching, such as court complex, court name, and according to the relevant dates of cause list. When you search out your case, you can save that case, which will be displayed in the 4th column, which is my cases. As of now, I do have 3 cases which I am handling, so it is showing 3 cases into this. In these case options, once you have saved, when you open it, you can search out the FIR number, CC, case details, on which basis the case details are going on which sections it is there, and when it comes to the history of case hearings, next relevant dates, etc. Along with these details, there are some more options into this which you can see at upper side, 3 lines. When you press those 3 lines, you will be seeing some more options into this, such as import, export, configure, court complex locator, e-pay. E-pay is an option to which you can pay your penalty or fines which you need to pay to the judicial services online. When it comes to the NJDG, it is the national data that how many cases are getting registered every day, that how many cases are pending as of now, and how many cases are enrolled till date, etc. And Indian Code forms for advocates. Forms for advocates is generally relevant to the advocates, but even if common public want to utilize it or you want to see it, you can see it. When it comes to the virtual court, there are some more facilities into that. When it comes to the help, there are some other options through which you can serve for that, like you can understand the Ecourts Services app in an efficient manner, like they have given a proper presentation into this, such as Ecourts Services through menu bars, through app versions which are giving number. You can check out the CNR number details. When it comes to the party names, you can check out how to analyze the party names into this app, and there are some more options which you can see over here. Let's see some more options, such as contact us. You can contact through some links to the virtual court departments, etc. So I hope this may be useful for you. Let's discuss some more other details according to my questions. Thank you.
Let's go to my 5th question. Who can use this app? See, there is no restrictions for anyone. Anyone can use this app from anywhere in India or from outside India. If you need any kind of legal help from our side, please do consult us at above display number. Thank you so much.